Today I will showcase our all-in-one system. This system included one piece 5 kilowatts inverters and 4 pieces 5 kilowatt-hours lithium battery. Now we can see the voltage, input voltage and output voltage here. Inverter voltage and the inverter power 5 kilowatts. Temperature loading, as we didn't connect to loading, so there is zero. And down, move to the main menu. This is battery information. We can read pack voltage, current, temperature, cell voltage. Also, we can see cell capacity. We can read SOC, FCC, limit capacity, current. Here is the second battery. Here is the third battery, and this one is the fourth battery. Also, let's move on to the back of the system. The first battery died 1. The second battery died 2. And the third battery died 1 and 2. And the fourth battery died 2, 3. Let's move on to how to set up the communication cable. The other side to connect to an inverter RS485 port. The other side to battery RS485. And here is for parallel connection RS485. Here, the second battery connect to the third battery, and the third battery connect to the fourth battery. Let's move on to the power cable. Positive connect to positive, negative connect to negative.